amazina yanje ni Chris Ligifandi nkaba ndi umuganga nkaba ndongoye imbere y'amategeko ishami yitwa Just Love Community imwe mu mashirahamwe yateguye kino gikorwa ca Harvest Week ni ishirahamwe rukristo rihurikiwemo cyane cyane n'abaganga ikoresha itarano Imana yarihaye kugira yahaye abaganga bagoresheje gushikana kure ubutumwa bwiza. Kino gikorwa rero ca Harvest Week ni indwi yahariwe kwimbura. Hari uburyo bwinshi umuntu ashobora kwimburamwo, hari mu kugira neza abandi, mu kubereka urukundo no mu kubereka ibikorwa byo kugira neza. Ico catuzanye rero no munsi. Ni kenshi uko umwaka utashe dukora bimwe na bino bikorwa, turashima Imana cyane kuko maze kudushoboza imyaka ku yindi gushaka gukora bino bikorwa. Uno munsi rero tugira tuje muri Vugizo, ahantu badukeneye, ahantu twasenze Imana turavuga ko dufite turashobora gutanga. Umutima w'urukundo ni uturanga kandi mu bikorwa byose tuzokora turiteze kubona igitangaza. Imana ibahezagire.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Adams. I'm the director of Our Children International, and we are here in Burundi, in East Africa, and this is our third annual Harvest Week, our medical camp, and this year we have chosen Makamba in the southern part of Burundi. That's where we will set up for 1 week, and over the 1 week time we'll be treating thousands of Burundians that possibly have never been to a doctor or seen a dentist. So this work is so important because in these rural parts of Burundi, many people don't have access to even a general doctor. They maybe haven't been to the doctor in years or ever. Some of them are suffering from tooth infections that is critical need that affects their lives in such a big way.